onto the rail, right? Okay, I want you to bring one leg up behind you. Put it down. No, not doing spirals. Just keep the leg up behind you. Okay, put it down. Put your hands in the air. Shake your body. Okay, give yourself a big hug. Okay, and I want you to twist your body, parents. Carefully you twist. Okay? Alright, now I want you to put your hands in front of you. Okay? And I just want you to bend your knees. Not a squat, just a bend. This is called Mr. Squat. Okay? What we don't want to do if we feel like we're falling, is to throw our hands in the air. If you throw your hands in the air and they go behind your ears, you're going to fall down. All the weight goes to the mat and the skates go right off underneath you. So we don't want any flying and we don't want any swimming. Okay, if you feel like you can fall, you do Mr. Squat, throw your arms forward, stick your bottom out, and bend your knees. Your weight is right over, your hips are over your knees, over your ankles. Okay? Most of the time, you fall. Not all, but most of the time. Okay. Now to fall, the younger people are going to help me out here. Okay? Go down into a squat position. Let one leg go out from underneath you, or both legs at the same time. Whichever you prefer. Parents, try not to fall on your tailbone, fall on the side of your bottom. That was good. Much easier to fall from this height than it is from way up here the first time. Okay? Alright. Like this, I want you to swing your legs to the side and roll over on your hands and knees. Your legs to the side and roll over on your hands and knees. Okay, now, I like to see happy faces, and I'm seeing a bunch of bottoms. So, if you're showing me your bottom, everybody turn around and show the happy face, okay? Alright, everybody should be on their hands and knees. Little ones especially, make a fist with your hands so you don't get to run over if you fall. Okay? Now, we're going to put one foot up. You can't do this, parents. I'll show you another way. Okay. Put one foot up, put all of your weight on this skate, push down on your knee, and spring up and do Mr. Squat. Which are rollers, all right? Now, when we march, parents, if you can march back and forth, side to side, that's how your skates are going to move. The little ones, they're just marching, okay? We don't want